Let me show you how to use a bobbin wind-up mode on this mini sewing machine. So if you want to fill up your bobbin with a thread, it's actually fairly easy. So on the sewing machine, we have the bobbin wind-up mode over here. So first we are simply going to take our empty bobbin and push it on this tiny spindle over here. Next, using your finger, simply pull it to the right side. So push it to the right side. Okay, so you see like this. Then let's take our spool. We want to take our thread from, put it on the spindle. Next we have to loop it through the tensioner. So take your thread here, push it under like this. So it goes from bottom to the top over here and around this tiny spindle here. So it's also like spring loaded. So again, it has to go under it. So you see it's going around and under it. Then take your end of thread. And over here on this empty bobbin, we have to actually push this thread through. So from the inside out. So you see what I'm doing here. So make sure it's out. And next, simply take your spool and put some pressure on it. Okay. So you see it's like kind of stiff right now here. Next, using this hand, simply take and hold basically this thread like this. So yeah, make sure to hold like this, and then using this hand, I'm going to simply turn it counterclockwise, so my direction a few times. So you see what happens as I turn it. It's essentially putting on basically a few like rounds of the thread. Next, I suggest you to actually like snip off this end so it doesn't actually mess around. And next, we can simply start the machine to fill it up automatically. So I'm simply using my foot pedal here. So you see once I engage it, as you see it's actually starting to fill up. Also you see on this machine it's actually not filling up evenly and we actually have to help it. So we are simply going to take basically scissors. So simply take scissors and push them underneath this thread over here like this. And next what we are going to do is while operating, we are simply going to pull up and down the scissors like this to help basically guide it evenly. So as you see, I'm starting it. So again, simply up and down, basically observe how it's filling up and simply guide it where you need to fill it up. As you see, it works absolutely great. And once we are done, so fill it up just how much you need really. So then we can disengage this bobbin wind-up mode. So again, simply push it like this, back to the left side, remove your bobbin here, snip it off, and we have filled up our bobbin. Also, if you need a guide how to actually thread up the machine, also how to insert the bobbin here and properly set up, you can also check my other videos. I have tons of different videos about this machine. I'll also include maybe in the description links to them. Anyway, good luck.